Hello guys, I am Mohammed Amin Hakim. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video will speak about the most important thing to know about affiliate marketing. The most important thing to know about affiliate marketing is trust building. The more your clients and your audience trust you, the more they will buy the products that you promote. Don't forget, if you lose the trust of your clients and your audience, you will not sell the products that you promote. So you have to promote great products, and if it is not possible, you have to promote good products. You never ever promote low quality products. In conclusion, the most important thing to know about affiliate marketing is trust building. So you have to build it and keep it. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.